How to create broadcast channel on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to create a broadcast channel on your Facebook Messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar option, and make sure that you're under your Facebook page. So go and switch to your Facebook page. Once you switch, you need to tap on profile. And once you're under the profile, you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of more. Tap on more, and under more you will have an option of channel. So if you have the channel option, you can simply tap on channel and then you can create your channel. But if you don't have the channel option, then it means that your Facebook page is not active on Facebook. So it must have at least some followers, or it must be active in the recent days. So if it's not active, then you won't have the channel option. But if it's active and if you're using your page properly, then you will get the channel option right here. So you just need to simply tap on channel, and once you tap on it, on the bottom right you will have create option. From there you can create your broadcast channel. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.